Accountant Basic Skill channel. Today I am taking transaction setup in Tally software. There are two types of setup, that is, one is accounts voucher types, second one is inventory voucher types. Friends, before beginning the lecture, I want to discuss some other important message. Please listen full YouTube video. It will benefit you. If you attend all my 17 lectures which is in queue, it will help you to improve your existing skill. By way of getting multiplicity of knowledge, your management will happy the work you have done in past and after attending the lecture. It will help to increase your salary and improve your existing skills. So I am personally request you, please listen full YouTube video. It will help you to improve your existing skills. If you are not listen previous video in till end, so I'm just requesting you, please listen full YouTube video. It will benefit you. One of the main concept is, I have already informed you in a previous lecture that accounting concept of any software in the world. Friends, this, if you are clear your accounting concept and the type of vouchers, then it will easy to handle any accounting software. So I'm just requesting you to listen full YouTube video. Okay, now continue. Transaction setup for Tally software. Friends, transaction setup is most important for any software. In Tally, they have given transaction setup in a detailed manner so that you can understand what type of setup is required for transaction setup. Okay, so now I am discussing how much voucher type available in Tally software. First one is receipts, payment, contra. I have already informed in a previous lecture. I'm just giving highlights of it. Receipt means always cash and bank on debit. Payment means always cash and bank credit. And contra means there is always a debit or credit, cash or bank. Memorandum is a dummy entry. If you are not sure whether this entry should be booked or not, just you are recording this entry out of the books. If you book the memorandum voucher, no effect in your accounts. Next one is journal. Journal means, in journal the shortcut concept is there is no debit or credit, cash or bank account. Then reversing of journal. Next, reversing of journal. If you are booked journal entry and you want to reverse it, then that time reversing journal option is used. Purchase. Purchase, when you want to book the purchase on credit basis, that time purchase voucher. And debit note, purchase return. Sales, when you sell the goods on credit basis, and credit note, sales return. In transaction setup, they have given accounting vouchers, inventory vouchers and order vouchers. Order voucher means if you want to book purchase order and sales order. Friends, purchase order and sales order, there is no effect in accounts. This is only for information purpose and comparison purpose. Purchase order will compare with the existing material supplied by the supplier, and sales order you will compare with your existing billing. Okay, now if you want to create the voucher, four options available: create, display, alter, quit. Okay, suppose I am giving one example. We will create two voucher type in receipt voucher. Friends, just want to inform you that above 8 vouchers are standard vouchers. Okay, you can create additional voucher types in the case of receipts, payment, contra. Memorandum, no. Journal, you can create it. Purchase, you can create it. Sales, you can create additional voucher type. Okay, now I am creating in receipt voucher additional two voucher, that is cash receipt and bank receipt voucher. Now I am explaining the setup. If you want to create the cash receipt voucher, you have to go voucher types, create vouchers. You have to select the option create vouchers. After selecting creating vouchers, the screen will appear on your laptop or computer. You will type cash receipt voucher. Then you will select the type of voucher. You have to select the type of voucher is receipt. Where is given receipt is bottom receipt. Okay. Next one is method of voucher numbering. Friends, there are vouchering numbering system also in Tally. Automatic, manually, you can do it. Next one is use effective date of vouchers. Yes, Tally has given options that you can select the effective date of vouchers. Make this voucher type as optional or by default. Don't touch this option. By default, no is better. Allow narration in voucher. Yes, you want narration. Provide narration for each ledger in voucher. Yes, you want additional narration below the ledger name. I will show you the screenshot also here. This is sale of scrap of the go down. This is the additional narration below the ledger. Okay. Okay. Next option is print voucher after saving. Generally, no is better. Next screen is method of voucher numbering. Numbering. Which type of numbering available? Automatic, automatic override, manual, multi-user auto, none. Generally, manual option is selected, or you can select automatic. Both two options are suggestible. Okay. When you select the automatic option, that time below message on your screen, method of voucher number is automatic. Use advanced configuration. Yes, advanced configuration means you want to set a standard in your voucher number. I am repeating again, you want to set a standard in your voucher number. For example, your starting number is 1 and the width of the number part is 3 digit, that is 999, that is 3 digit. Prefill with 0. Yes, you have said that it should be prefill with 0, means first voucher number will 001, second voucher is 002, third voucher is 003. Okay, 3 digit, 3 with is 3 and prefill with 0. Yes. Okay. Restart numbering yearly, correct. Yearly, monthly, never, weekly, yearly, this type of different type of options available. Next one is prefix. Generally, we want to identify the voucher number. Okay, so prefix I am suggesting CR means cash receipt, year means 2021, and location is Mumbai, that is suffix. Because if you want to create voucher location wise, that time you can give, and that time you can suffix the location name. My just personal suggestion is please give short name so that you can identify the location. Next is uh, use effective date for voucher. Yes, I have shown it here. This is effective date of vouchers. Okay. Next one is narration. I have already informed you. You can see the narration scrap of the go down. Please do practice for bank receipt voucher. Okay, my friends, I have already informed you cash receipt voucher. Please do practice for bank receipt voucher so that you will understand the concept. Clear? Now, different types of colors options available in accounts voucher of Tally. First voucher is receipt voucher. Screen they have used the color red and The word contain word is receipt. Numbering either one, you can give manual numbering, you can give automatic number, and two other options are available, that is post dated or optional. Means you can book post dated also. Post dated means you want to book the entry in future. Okay, that time this option is payment. Payment also same option is available. Contra same option is available. Post dated and optional. Memorandum only post dated, no optional no optional benefit available. Journal post dated option. Reversing journal no optional method is available, only post dated. Purchase voucher, if you select the purchase voucher, it is in the invoice format. Okay, it is in the invoice format. You have to insert the supplier invoice number and supplier billing date. Then you have to select the party account. Okay, if your purchase voucher in voucher format, see here is as voucher and as invoice. This is your invoice format, this is the invoice format. Okay, but if you want voucher purchase in voucher format, only two options are available. Party account name, current balance will not be appear on your screen, only purchase and supplier invoice number, and three options are available as invoice, post date and optional. Debit note, that is purchase return, this is in invoice format, you can take in voucher format also. Same option for purchase and debit note. Similarly sales also, this is in invoice format, this is the invoice format. If you want in a voucher format, just click here, the screen will ask you only reference number. Okay, but my personal suggestion is better to take a invoice format, it will benefit you. Next one is credit note, that is sales return, this is in invoice format, and below screen is in voucher format. Next option is inventory voucher. How many types available in inventory voucher? There are total 8 voucher types available in inventory. Similarly, in the case of accounts, 8 option is available. Now we will discuss each and every voucher type. That is, first one is delivery note. Delivery note, receipt note, material out, stock journal, physical stock, rejection in, rejection out. First one is delivery note, means you want to give, sorry, you want to give delivery notes, that you want to transfer goods from your godown to another godown, or you want to transfer goods to debtors godown, that time delivery note will print. Receipt note means when you received goods from the suppliers, that time receipt note. Material in, this is similar to receipt note also. Material in is when you want to transfer your goods in your stock register, that time you will select this voucher material in. Material out means when you want to transfer goods from your godown to other godown or suppliers godown, that time you will use material out. Stock journal means when you want to transfer goods from your godown to production department, that time stock journal use. Physical stock verification, yes, this is a separate voucher only for verification purpose. What type of stock available in the godown, that you have to insert here. Then in rejection in means whatever goods are inwarded, but you have returned it because of rejection. Okay, that is rejection in. Rejection out, sorry, rejection in means whatever goods are you have already transferred to debtors, they have rejected it, that rejected goods you are taking in your custody, that is rejection in. And rejection out means supplier had transfer goods to your go down, and that time you have rejected the goods. That is rejection out. Okay. Another important option is in a Tally software is stock query option. This is a best option available in Tally, and this will give a perfect presentation. When you press stock query option, below screen will appear how much you have purchased the goods, how much you have sales the goods, and how much inventory available in your books. I am repeating again, how much you are purchased goods, how much you are sales goods, and how much you have in stock in hand. Okay, this is a stock query option. Now delivery note, what is a presentation available in the delivery note? Your transfer goods from your godown to debtors godown. That time you will select this option. Delivery note means material out. You have to give reference number, party name, current balance, destination if the destination is there, and two options is available: post date and optional. You have to insert data of quantity, rate, and amount. I am repeating again. Delivery note means you want to transfer goods from your location to another location. Clear? That is a delivery note. Next one is receipt note. Receipt note means supplier have transfer goods from his godown to your godown. That time you will book receipt note. You will insert the party detail, reference number, and you will insert the below details, that is how much your actual quantity as per bill, and how much actual quantity you have received, and how much quantity bill in the invoice. Suppose in bill 1000 quantity, and but you have actually received 900. That time you will insert actual 900, bill is 1000. And other option is available: post dated and optional. Next one is material in. When goods are in your when your goods received from suppliers, that time you will book the entry material in. Same option available. You have to insert the reference number, party account, current balance, source go down, miss suppliers go down, and below screen you have to insert quantity, rate, and amount. Okay, this is the suppliers have transferred goods to your go down. Okay, this post dated and uh, optional two options are separately available. Material out means you transfer goods from your location to debtor's location. That time this voucher is used. Same, friends, please understand the accounts and inventory options. There is no difference in accounts and inventory options. Only thing you have to just analyze that in accounts numeric value concept is there, but in stock you have to give importance to your stock, which is counted in numbers, kg, and liters. Same options are available in accounts, same option available in your stocks. Only thing, comparison purpose, they have given different type of options. When you material in means received, as per accounts means received. Material out means your transfer goods from your location, that is payments. Just you have to compare the concept, you will idea that the account setup and inventory setup is similar way. Only thing is presentation is different. Next one is stock journal. Stock journal is used for when you are transferring good for consumption purpose. You are transferring from your go down to your production department. That time stock journal is used. Physical stock, this is only for the information purpose. Whenever you want to do any physical stock verification, that time this option is used, and whatever stock available in your go down, that stock will be inserted in this voucher, and physical verification report will generate. Next one is rejection in. Rejection in means already goods are material out, and that in that material out, suppose you have transfer good 10,000 but 1,000 quantity is rejected. That rejected quantity you are taking inward to your go down. That time rejection in option is used. You have to insert the below details also. Customer's name and address means who customer have rejected goods, that time you have to insert the detail. Rejection out means supplier have sent goods to your godown but you have rejected it, that time this option is used. Here the supplier's name and address you have to update. Now stock reports available. Friends, I hope that you have understand the different type of vouchers. I'm just reading again which type of options are available. That is delivery note, receipt note, material in, material out, stock journal, physical stock, rejection in and rejection out. Okay, just you have to compare with your accounts. You can easily understand the concept in inventory module. Now we'll take the reports available in Tally software for stock. First of all, stock report is available below the reports of balance sheet, profit and loss and stock summary. When you press stock summary and right hand side function 9 inventory reports option is available. In that F9 module, you'll in that module this inventory reports are available. That is go down summary, movement analysis, physical stock register, purchase bill pending, purchase order, sales bill pending, sales order, statistics, stock category summary, stock journal register, stock query. Okay, now we will see each and every option. That is go down summary. If you press go down summary on your screen, below data will be reflect. That is main location. B1D is my go down, LG TV my is item, speaker is my items. Okay, and this is a closing balance summary of inventory. Next option is movement analysis. Movement analysis means whatever goods are inward, outward and closing balance. This is a movement analysis. You will understand how stock is transferred from your location to another location. That report will be available in movement analysis. Physical stock register. Physical stock register means how much stock is available in your go down. Next option also available in your tally module, that is voucher types. Means when this physical stock register screen on your laptop, that time below option also available in right hand side, that is voucher types. Whether you want your report in quarter wise, month wise, or also there is the option of new column. Means you want to present your data in columnar format or in period format, that time this option available. This arrow is what for auto column. Means when you want to set the auto column setup, auto column is either you can 1 meter auto column. Auto column setup. Yes, this is auto column setup. Either you want data in 4 week month, daily, fortnightly, half yearly, monthly, quarterly, weekly, yearly. Friends, I want to just give update that if you properly update the transaction data, you will get different types of reports. Purchase order pending. Purchase order pending, if you book the vouchers of purchase order and sales order, then this report will appear on your screen when you select this option. Other options also available outward, that is sales bill pending, sales order pending. I already informed that purchase order and sales order only for comparison purpose only. There is no accounting of purchase order and sales order in your books of account. This is only for information purpose and comparison purpose. When you press sales order, that time below options, right hand side option available, whether you want item wise, ledger wise, purchase wise, due wise, age wise, pre-close wise. Aging analysis is also is given. When you insert the due date for payment, that time aging analysis will appear on a screen. So you have, whenever whenever you create any debtors account, that time you set the credit limit or credit days, then this aging report will appear on a screen. When you select the aging, you will appear the aging analysis: 30 days, 0 to 30 days, 30 to 60 days, 60 to 90 days, and above 90 days. You can insert different days also. Okay. Then statistics means how many vouchers book in Tally. Whole summary is available. Generally auditor will see this statistics and understand the volume of accounts. Okay, the statistics is more important for auditor also, and you also, because you will know that how much vouchers available in Tally and where you are booked. For example, cash receipt, only one voucher is booked. Bank receipt, no voucher is booked. Purchase order, how much purchase order, purchase, two vouchers book of purchase, and purchase order, one voucher is booked. Stock category summary, if you want stock category summary, you will just press the stock category summary, you will get the below reports. Stock query, I already informed that this is similar like a purchase, then sales and items available in stock in hand. Next summary, stock summary means stock in hand. This reports are available in stock options. Next one is, there is also options available in display. Display, where is that available? After your reports, balance sheet, profit and loss, stock summary, ratio analysis, display option is available. When you press a display, below screen, this screen will appear on your laptop. That is trial balance, accounting books, statement of accounts, statement of inventory, job work in reports, job work out reports. These four menus available for reports. So first one is inventory books. Which are the option available? Stock item, group summary, batch, sales order, purchase order, stock transfer, physical stock, movement analysis, aging analysis, quick. Stock items. These are the stock items. Monthly summary available. When you press stock items, this report will appear on how much inward, how much outward, and how much closing balance. Movement analysis, already I have shown in previous screens. In movement analysis, this option is available. You'll, whether you want stock group analysis, category wise, item wise, group wise, ledger wise, transfer analysis. Friends, this option is better for understanding for moment of analysis. You can take your reports in group wise and category wise, item wise. Next screen is statement of inventory. Whether you want statement of inventory in go down wise or category wise, stock query, I have already informed you that in stock query, purchase, sales and stock in hand. Cost estimation not required. Job work analysis not much so important. Item cost analysis. Sales order outstanding, yes, this is important. Purchase order outstanding, this is important. Means purchase order, one example is that you have given purchase order to supplier of 10,000 quantity, but he has supplied only 3,000. I'm repeating again, you have given purchase order of 10,000 quantity, but supplier has delivered only 3,000 quantity. There is a shortfall of 7,000. That shortfall will appear on your screen. Reorder status, this is a costing concept. Reorder level, generally costing department will inform you how much, when you want to raise the purchase order or sales order, that time reorder level is fixed. For example, reorder level means that is a minimum level of stock. If minimum level of stock reach, then immediately you have to raise the purchase order. Next one is job work analysis. This is only for information purpose. This is also information purpose. These are options are available in stock, job work reports and job work register. Exceptional report. Friends, this is the most critical factor. All auditor are checking the exception reports. In exception reports, This is a summary of your critical work. Okay, this will give directly report to the auditor. For example, negative stock directly will give the report to the auditor. Auditor always auditor will check the exception reports. Same concept available for any accounting software. Generally exception reports are not available to juniors. These reports are available to either senior level or auditors. Okay, next one is negative ledger, negative batch, overdue receivables, overdue payables. This will give indirect hint to auditors that what is the problem is going on in the business. Okay, memorandum vouchers, reversing journal, optional voucher, cancel vouchers, post dated vouchers, email IDs, tweet. Okay, so first, which are the most important option for auditor? Negative stock, negative ledgers, overdue receivable, overdue payable, um, and post dated vouchers. Generally these vouchers are important for auditor. Friends, that's it for the today. Hope that you like the above contents, and if you like the above content, then please press the bell icon and subscribe my channel. And friends, my personal request is, please listen all previous YouTube videos so that you can take advantage of my own experience of 15 years. Friends, if you take the multiplicity of knowledge, it will always benefit you to improve your existing skill. Okay, thank you.